Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to toggle animations on an object by simply clicking on it. To achieve this, I have made a simple step-by-step list on how to do so. Starting, let's take a look of how it turns out. Then we will get to work trying to achieve the simple function with the little know-how behind it. We will also create sitting toggles so you can take rides on any movable object like the one shown in this video. I will show you a couple more examples. You, by now, should know you can do this on rides and other interactive purposes in your world creations. Now that you saw all the examples, let's get into how to do this. First off, we are going to make the seats of the ride, and all you have to do is just repeat what you see in this tutorial onto your project exactly how I do so. Just add the following: create an empty item that should be attached below the ride, so they will move together when the animation happens. In the seat that you just created, the empty object, you should add a box collider, VRC station, and make an udon behavior script with an udon graph added to it. Just copy this graph, and now let's get into the ride itself. We did the seating, which is done now. Like the first object, just copy what I did. In this object, you have to animate the object itself, which I will show you later on how to do. Right now, we're going to take a look at the udon graph. Just create everything as I did, like the variables, events, and strings that are attached to each other. In the animator on the right, make adjustments by adding animations and setting them up in a graph like shown. Now all you have to do for this ride is animate, but I highly recommend making the animation through Unity rather than use your 3D software like Blender, because it avoids strange problems from happening. It's just more stable for simple rides like the one shown in this video, like spinning or swaying back and forth motion. That's pretty much it for this tutorial. I hope I helped you in your Unity project for Creator Companions so you can make interactive worlds. So see you in the next video. Bye.